Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. The US markets fell yesterday, and the fall yesterday is the worst in the last 4 trading sessions. And 3 trading sessions markets fell. Usually, when 3 trading session markets fell, the fourth trading session markets will either stabilize or will recover a little bit. But the fear of interest rate hike is so high, the for fourth day, US markets fell. Not only the markets fell yesterday for the fourth day, the fourth day fall was even higher than the first 3 days of fall. Yesterday's fall was the worst. Nasdaq were down nearly 5%, and S&P 500 has come to the bear market. So first time it closed more than 20% lower from the recent high. So Asian markets are no wonder it is all negative only, and SGX Nifty indicating opening below yesterday's low, and that has been the trend for the last few days. So any intraday recovery, it is the time to sell. The next day market open below the previous day's low. But right now, the European and US futures are slightly higher, and we do not know. We have to wait. But today is Tuesday, and tomorrow is the Fed policy. The Fed policy will come during the market hours for them. But for us, it is off the market hours. So tomorrow, our market will function normally, and then nighttime, US Fed decision will come. Then Thursday morning, there may be a gap up or gap down. The traders may like to square off some of their positions towards the end of tomorrow. But I don't think that US markets will react that way because they can always put a stop loss during the market hours. So coming back to our markets, Nifty fell more than 500 points yesterday at some point, and Bank Nifty has fallen more than 1200 points. Then in the last hour, some domestic institutions buying came, and Nifty recovered more than 100 points, and Bank Nifty recovered more than 200 points. But that was very, very clear that so that was due to DIA support, and plus those who have taken some intraday shorts, they were squaring it up. So as expected, today markets are opening below yesterday's low, and below yesterday's low, it has got two significance. One, at this low level and opening below yesterday's low is considered as very, very bearish. And number two, the March 8th, the swing low was 15,671. So yesterday that low was not broken, but today it seems that it may be broken. But who knows, it may not even broken also, because if US futures and Europe futures firm up a little bit more, and then we may start slightly higher also. And looking at the institutional level, so the selling was not really very, very bad. The net institutional selling yesterday was just only 1,400 crore. But still, why the markets are falling so bad? The market sentiment is so bad. The markets are so fragile, and nobody want to buy. When the people, particularly FIIs, want to sell, and nobody want to buy, and that is the reason why even a small selling markets fall drastically. Yesterday, looking at the open interest, so things are really looking very, very bad. Number one, day before yesterday, Nifty closed around 16,200, but at the money call option, 16,200 call option added huge open interest, and there was hardly any put writing. Yesterday, Nifty closed around 16,800. At the money call option, 16,800 call option added huge open interest, but there was hardly any put writing. So this shows that the people are aggressively selling call options, and they have no hope of market recovery, at least in the short term. And looking at the put call ratio, the put call ratio is at 0.51, which shows that the markets are extremely oversold. But then no need to look at the put call ratio. Look at the percentage of FIA short position and FIA long position. There was a huge gap down yesterday, but despite that, FIAs added more and more short positions, and now FIA short position in index future stands at 88 percentage, whereas their long position is only 12%. And if I'm not wrong, so this is the highest short position at any given point of time by the FIAs. Even during Lehman Brothers collapse time, coronavirus time, I don't think that FIAs had such a huge short position. But for one or the other reason, if there is any good news, then the relief rally will also be equally powerful. And we have already seen that last time when the market went to 15,700 and when it reversed, within a short span of time, Nifty shot up nearly 1,100 point. And again, that has fallen. That's a different story. So if the market, there is a proverb in stock market, consensus is dangerous. So everybody is short in this market. In case if there is any good news, sometimes no bad news can also be a good news. So if the Fed chairman does not give any hawkish comment, the markets may recover also. So that possibility is also there. But right now, there are no signs of that. So that's why the people are just shorting the market. And surprisingly, uh, all the bulls are hiding behind crude oil and bears are dominating all other asset classes. But despite such a high crude prices, even the Reliance did not support the market. You cannot blame the Reliance because the Reliance is trading closer to all-time high. So naturally there will be some profit booking. And look at the Bitcoin, which fell from $30,000 to $21,000 in just 3 trading sessions. So things are looking very, very, very bearish. But sometimes markets turn around when there is a very big bearishness. Sometimes, LIC may step in a big way when the overall market sentiment is very, very bearish and crushing all the short sellers. So I don't think that LIC will dare to enter the market ahead of such a big event, Fed event. So the things are likely to continue at least for 1 or 2 more days like this only. And only consolation is that, US futures are slightly positive. So that will make sure that, our market not falling beyond a certain limit. So we should be happy if the market takes support around yesterday's low. And so let us see where the market opens. And definitely, I think today market, today's Tuesday. Usually Tuesday is a very, very volatile market. But let us hope that market trades within yesterday's range. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. There is some internet problem in my house. That's why this is a podcast today. So thank you for watching.